Greetings of the day. I am Shrishti and you are watching SJMC TV. Today we have with us Professor McGowan from University of Galway, Ireland, in collaboration with KRMU International Relations. Welcome, sir.
Thanks, Shrishti. It's great being here.
You have just delivered a lecture on Fintech and its trends in Ireland. Can you please share your experience with interacting with the students?
Yeah, the students were really interested in FinTech and really attentive, and they asked some great questions about the program. So I was very happy to get really good feedback, and they seemed very interested in coming to Galway to study with us. So I'm very excited about that.
What are the pioneer courses in your university?
So we have a new Masters in FinTech, Economics and Financial Technology. So this is one of the new Masters that we're bringing out just in September 24. We're partly bringing it out in response to industry demand for skilled graduates in this area. So this is a new Masters that is very innovative and cutting edge, and we think is going to provide students with a great skill set to get a range of really interesting jobs in cutting-edge fields. Actually, we also have a new Masters as well in Management and Sustainability. So sustainability is becoming more and more important with the climate crisis and the biodiversity crisis. And this Masters teaches you how to be a business leader that keeps sustainability at the core of your business while still, meeting other goals as well.
So, what are the qualities you look in a student in the process of admission?
So, the main quality a student needs to study at postgraduate level in Galway, in Ireland, is to have curiosity in the course material. That's really important, because if you have curiosity, that will give you the fuel essentially to do the work and make the connections and really get the most out of your education. In terms of I guess that's a bit abstract. In terms of specific requirements, in order to come study with us in Galway, for most courses you need 65% in your degree, although sometimes it's 62% and you need the right prerequisites, but that depends on the course. It's course specific. So for example, in FinTech, we expect you to have already studied ideally some economics. But if you haven't studied economics, if you're coming from, say, an engineering background or computer science background and you want to transition over into FinTech, you can still come and join, and we'll ask you to do a preparatory course before you arrive in September.
How can a student build their profile, and what activities and co-curricular activities they should inculcate in their daily schedule?
So for students who want to study in Galway or anywhere in Ireland, it's important to kind of take a holistic approach to your education. So it's not just about learning off answers for an exam. It's really good to be interested and get involved in extracurricular societies, for example. So you might have student societies in whatever it is your area is, in drama or business or arts or whatever. And in general, it's good to inculcate, just as, like I said before, a sense of curiosity, but also that drive to to teach yourself, but also to communicate to others what you've learned. Because a university is a community, and originally, we called it a community of scholars, and universities are important public institutions. And part of that, in order for us to succeed, we need our students ideally be able to speak up when they know something, because we're in a world now where there's a lot of misinformation, and we try to teach our students well. And as part of the deal, we're hoping that our students will, go out into the world with that knowledge.
What will be the future courses your university will show to the student coming from India or anywhere around the world?
Shrishti, that's a really good one. I don't know for certain what the future new courses are going to be. Like, if you asked us 10 years ago, what new Masters will you have? I think someone would be lying if they said, oh, we'll have a FinTech Masters. So it really depends. I don't know what way it's going to go. We're going to try and stay on the cutting edge and keep up with whatever the latest emerging areas are. So now it's a mix of FinTech and economics and financial technology. I'm sure this area will grow more. We're looking, we already have an AI Masters and a Data Analytics Masters, which are incredibly popular, and they're like the first Masters to fill up, essentially. So we're looking to branch into new areas, but also expand on the areas that we're already in that are proving extremely popular, and we know there's going to be more demand for, both from students and from industry.
And lastly, how was your experience in the university around India as well? Because I know that it's your first time in here.
This is my first time ever in India. It's my first time ever anywhere in Asia, actually, and I'm having a brilliant experience here. I'm really enjoying it. The people are extremely friendly and welcoming, and the food is delicious. And I have got time to see only a few sites, but I'm enjoying the scale of everything. It's a different universe compared to Ireland, where we only have 5 million people in the whole country. And here, I went from Mumbai to Pune, and I thought Pune was kind of a regional city. And it turns out that Pune itself has more people, at 7 or 8 million people, which is more than, the population of my entire country. So I'm looking forward to coming back again. Obviously, I have a lot more to see and to do here, and I'm having a great time. I'm really enjoying it.
Thank you so much for your time.